What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some bookshelf speaker stands. So yesterday we took a look at some speakers from Thonit and Vander, very awesome speakers, but I needed some stands for them because they're so big. So I went on Amazon and I found these by Atlantic and they look pretty clean. They're only $43 and they've got a 4-star rating. It's on Amazon's Choice. So I was like, yeah, let's get those and try them out. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's bust these open. Now there is assembly to this. If I can ever get it out, there we go. Now this is all steel constructed. It feels very heavy duty. All right, so we got our instruction manual. It comes in multiple languages. It should be pretty simple, so it shouldn't have too big of a problem putting them together. Ah, the feet. Oh yeah, I like that. That carbon fiber look. Ah, now it's only a wrap. It's not actual carbon fiber. I mean, this is that wood. And there's the second one. And we've got our accessory pouch with everything we need in it. We've got our little pegs. Now this actually goes on the top part, so you just set the speaker right on top of it. You've got, looks like shorter pegs, screws, 3M double-sided sticky tape pads, some O-rings, and a couple more screws. All right, let's just assemble it real quick. Fast forward. All right, so I got them done. I didn't notice until just now, but right here on the front, it's actually got their logo on it. Also, it is hollow, and this is the top. It has a hole right here, so that way you can actually do some wire management. So the peg feet, they actually stay off the ground enough for cables to pass through. So you send it up through the hollow pipe, and you get a nice little clean cable management. But there we go, super simple. All right, let's go set these up in the other room where the speakers are gonna go so we can get a better look at this. Let's do it. All right, as you can see, they're just tall enough to reach over my desk just by about 1 inch, and they're great. I mean, with these on full blast, I hear no rattle. And again, I really like that carbon fiber style wrap that they have on the bottom of it. It looks really classy. If you have bookshelf speakers and you're looking for some stands, check the Atlantic brand out. They're pretty good and it's very budget friendly. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave links down in the description below for the stands as well as the speakers. Check out yesterday's video. I'll leave that down below as well. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here. What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some Today we're looking at some Bush. Oh, there we go. Deo, Deo, daylight go. What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at a pipe. That's right, you're looking right down my pipe.
Really?
You can hear me?
Deo.
Deo. All right, so I got them done, and I didn't even notice until just now, but there is, oh, snap.
But as for now, get out of here. Bye. Bye. Ooh, super smooth panorama. It's not that smooth. I could have spent more money on the slider, but you know, life's hard when you're a junkie. You gotta work with what you can afford, you know what I mean? Am I greasy? I am. I look a little greasy. I apologize. Sorry for my presentation. Catch me tomorrow and I'll probably look cleaner. Bye. Get out of here.